You wake up tired. Your stomach feels heavy after meals. Most seniors blame aging, but an overloaded liver may be the real reason. One simple food helped a 72-year-old regain her morning energy naturally. Every morning, millions of adults over 60 wake up exhausted before the day even begins. You eat small meals, yet still feel heavy for hours. You sleep all night, but wake up tired. Many seniors blame aging, but sometimes the liver has been struggling quietly for years before stronger symptoms appear. This is not weakness, this is biology, and biology can be supported. There was a time you could enjoy a big family dinner and wake up refreshed the next morning. That version of you is not gone forever. A 72-year-old woman named Janet stopped visiting friends because she felt drained every afternoon. She thought it was just old age. But after changing a few foods in her routine, her mornings felt lighter again. And the surprising part? One of the foods helping her most was probably already sitting in her kitchen. What age are you watching from today? Drop it below. That heavy feeling after meals, that foggy brain in the afternoon, that moment you sit down for a minute, then struggle to get your energy back. You notice those changes for a reason, and here is the scary part. Many seniors blame aging when the body may have been struggling quietly for years. The liver works hard processing medications, sugar, oils, and waste every day. But after 60, it can become overloaded more easily. And most liver strain does not hurt at first. The body whispers instead. You feel tired after small meals. You wake up exhausted. Your energy disappears faster than it used to. Most doctor visits are simply too short to explain how daily habits affect the liver over time. But here's the surprising part. Some of the best foods for liver support are probably already in your kitchen, not expensive detox products, real foods many families used for generations. And the fourth food is the one many seniors say changed their mornings the most.
Number 1. Garlic. Garlic has been in family kitchens for generations, and the reason matters more after 60. It activates enzymes in the liver that help flush waste from the digestive system. The preparation matters. Crush the garlic first. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Then cook it or eat it raw. That short resting time protects what makes garlic work, even through heat. Think about the last time a meal sat heavily for hours afterwards. That heaviness is partly the liver falling behind. Garlic gives it a push. One small habit. The kitchen already had the answer. It just needed the right preparation. That one is simple. But number 2 is where most people make a mistake they do not know they are making. Number 2, lemon water. First thing in the morning. Before coffee, before food. 1 glass of warm water with half a lemon. It activates your liver's own cleaning process, the one responsible for breaking down fat and moving waste out of the body. After 60, that process slows down naturally. Think about the mornings when you woke up feeling genuinely ready, not just rested, actually light. That's partly your liver's cleaning process doing its job the way it was designed to. Most people skip this step without knowing it is a step. A warm glass of lemon water each morning is how you add it back. It costs almost nothing. It takes less than a minute. You've handled harder things than this. 2 down. And we're getting closer to the one many seniors say changed their mornings the most. Number 3, leafy greens. Spinach, rocket, kale. These contain a natural plant compound that binds to toxins circulating in the bloodstream. It carries them toward the liver for processing. Think of it as help arriving before the liver even has to ask for it. A handful with lunch, a handful with dinner. Your body has been waiting for this kind of help.
It just never had a name for it. If you're still here, the next 2 minutes are exactly why you clicked on this video. Before we get to number 4, stop for a moment. Think about what you actually want from this. Not a number on a scale, not a fitness goal. Strong enough to sit at a full family dinner without needing to rest halfway through. Independent enough that the people who love you stop worrying every time they call. That's what a supported liver quietly makes possible. Hold that thought, because what comes next is the reason most seniors stay stuck without ever knowing why. Number 4, beetroot. We said at the start that one food was probably already sitting in your kitchen. For most people watching, this is it. Beetroot contains a natural compound that does 3 things at once for a liver that's been under strain. It helps reduce inflammation inside the liver. It helps clear fat that is built up in liver tissue over time. And it supports the liver's own ability to repair itself. Not one of those things, all 3 at the same time. Real families kept beetroot in their kitchens for generations. Most of them didn't know the exact reason, but the body did. Number 5, green tea. 1 to 2 cups daily helps reduce inflammation and supports the body's own fat processing. A quiet signal sent every day telling your liver it is not alone. If someone you love is running on empty and pushing through it alone, drop their name in the comments. They need to hear this. Now, the full picture on number 4, beetroot. Here's what most people are never told. After 60, the liver doesn't just slow down gradually. It accumulates decades of quiet overload, from medications, from processed oils, from sugar, from stress. That buildup doesn't announce itself loudly. It whispers, through the tiredness, through the heaviness, through the fog. Beetroot contains a natural compound that directly targets that internal buildup. But here's the part most people never reach in a doctor's office. Beetroot also contains natural compounds that improve blood flow directly to the liver itself. Better blood flow means more oxygen reaching liver cells. More oxygen means the liver processes waste more efficiently. After 60, when circulation to the liver naturally begins to slow, this matters more than at any other point in your life. Research over the last decade has focused on exactly this. Most seniors never hear about it because it doesn't come in a bottle. It comes from the ground, roasted in a salad, blended into juice, 4 times a week. That's the amount the research most consistently points to. Remember Janet, the woman who stopped visiting friends because every afternoon left her completely drained? She didn't overhaul her life. She didn't start a program. She changed a few foods. 11 weeks later, she was making plans again, calling people, showing up. Not because she pushed through the tiredness, because the tiredness quietly started to lift. She didn't become someone new. She reminded her body of who she already was. And you are no different from her. You already have what this takes. That's what this is really about. If this is the kind of content you want more of, hit the like button right now. It tells us to keep going. And subscribe. We're here for people over 60 who want to stay strong, stay sharp, and stay independent. You don't need to do all 5 today. Pick one, just one. One of these foods is all Janet changed first, and that's all you need to change too. Tonight, if you have garlic at home, crush some into your dinner. Tomorrow morning, before anything else, 1 glass of warm water and half a lemon. That's your first step. That's the whole ask. This week, pick up a beetroot. But the lemon water is where you begin. You don't need to get it perfect. You just need to start. Tell us in the comments which food you're starting with. We read every reply. Every single one of those choices adds up. Your liver has been working quietly for you for 60+ years. Give it something back.